The appliance needs to be descaled when the indicators of Americano and double espresso flash at the same time. 3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 12 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. Fill the water tank with household descaler solution. Place a container under the water outlet. Long press the power icon to power on. Cancel the rinse icon and wait for preheating. After preheating, hold and press Americano and double espresso for 1 second at the same time, and the appliance enters into the descaling procedure. The whole descaling procedure lasts for about 10 minutes. After the descaling is completed, the indicators of Americano and double espresso stop flashing. Then cleaning the water tank, filling it with clean water. Finally, use the self-clean function to clean it 2 to 3 times before making beverages.